Okay, we are going to talk about nouns again. Okay, we're talking about nouns this week. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to watch this video, this Jack Hartman video that says, what is a noun? And then you're going to answer these questions, okay? So it says, show me what you know, select the best answer. What does a noun name? An action, a person, place, thing, or animal, or a color? Then you're going to take this check mark right here and you're going to drag it to whatever the correct answer is. All right, this says circle the noun in a sentence, okay? The apple is red. So what would be the person, place, or thing in the sentence? And you're going to put a circle over whatever the noun is in the sentence. The third question says, is this a noun? Running. Is running a noun? Yes or no? Is running a person, place, or thing? You're going to go ahead and you're going to take that check mark and put it over yes or no. Second page says, show me what you know, select the best answer. Number 4 says, the word dog is a person, place, or thing. You're going to take the check mark and put it over the correct answer. Number 5 says, the word library is a person, place, or thing. Take the check mark and put it over the correct answer. Then the last question says, circle the noun in the sentence. There is the school. You're going to take the circle and you're going to put it over the noun in the sentence. That is it.